Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division. Division is a fundamental math operation that helps us share things equally. Imagine you have a certain number of items and you want to put them into equal groups. Division helps you figure out how many items go into each group or how many groups you can make. It's all about fair sharing and splitting up a total amount. Let's get familiar with the key terms in division. The dividend is the total number you are dividing. The divisor is the number you are dividing by, telling you how many groups or how many items per group. The quotient is your answer, representing the result of the division. And sometimes, you might have a remainder, which is what's left over after the equal sharing. Now, let's walk through the simple steps for performing division. First, you look at the dividend and see how many times the divisor fits into its first digit or first few digits. You write that number as part of your quotient. Then, you multiply that quotient digit by the divisor and subtract it from the dividend. Finally, you bring down the next digit and repeat these steps until you have no more digits. Sometimes, when you divide, the numbers don't split perfectly evenly. This is when we have a remainder. A remainder is the amount left over after you've made all the equal groups possible. It's important to remember that the remainder must always be smaller than your divisor. We usually write the remainder next to the quotient, often using the letter R to denote it, like 3R1.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.